holds true that once you stop looking for what you want, you find what you need. 7.5 years ago, I was fortunate enough to meet you, the man I would end up spending forever with. I've always considered myself so lucky to have found you, the man who not only fulfilled all the qualities I wanted in a partner, but also exceeded my expectations in so many ways.
I almost count all the days. Wooden trails brought me to this place. For many moons I've been searching for myself. And what path will I take?
Colby. Words cannot describe how happy I am to be here with you today, knowing that I get to spend the entirety of my life with you. Gosh, I might need a tissue. The way you remain so humble and virtuous, your kindness and respect towards others, your love for God and for your family, your dedication to always trying to keep a smile on my face. These are only a few characteristics that help me to know at the young age of 17 years old that I've found my person.
Brianna, we've waited for this day for a long time. Today I can finally call you my wife. It is important to understand what this day means and how the promises we make today will carry on with us for a future. The vows we make today are before an all-powerful God who has a perfect love. Though I cannot live up to perfection, I have vowed to always be with you, and here are my promises. I wish I could promise you the world, but it is not mine to give. What I can give you is my world, my love, support, and passion.
In the last 8 years, Bree's not only been my best friend, but also a second sister. Bree lived with me and my parents for 3 years and became another daughter to them. When my mom got sick, Bree was there at every appointment, and my mom requested it because she's the nurse. She helped me to be a shoulder to cry on through the toughest time of my life. When my mom was in her last week of life, she had gotten really bad. Not being able to talk, but she was able to look at Bree and say, "I love you."
I'm proud to be your older brother, and I'm honored to be up here as your best man. As your biggest brother, I always tried to do my best to watch over you and protect you, but you've done the same and more for me. Bree's Facebook for a long time has said in a relationship. Long time, right? But we're here, it's happening. I knew from the moment you and Bree met that you guys were gonna be something special. And 7.5 years later, here you are.
Brianna, you are my life partner, the one I pledge my love to. I vow to listen to you, be open and honest with you. I'll be your trusted partner and stand by you through good times and bad.
Colby, You are my life partner, the one I pledge my love to. I vow to listen to you and be open and honest with you. I will be your trusted partner and stand by you through good times and bad. I promise you my love, my fullest devotion, and tenderest care.
I promise you my love, my fullest devotion, tenderness, care. I promise this now and for all the days of my life.
I promise this now and for all the days of my life.
Now, Brianna and Colby, seeing that no moment is without meeting, we ask that you take this marriage as a beginning of your lives together. Today signifies the creation of a new home and a new family for you both.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, this
The incredible life her and Colby have created together is going to be even more incredible now that they're married. And I can't wait to see how they navigate the next chapter of life together.
so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe. You're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar.
I'm very excited for you guys and your journey ahead. Bree, welcome to the McNew family. Will everyone raise your glasses and let's toast to Colby and Bree. I wish you guys the best for a long and happy marriage. Salud.
Cheers to Bree and Colby.
Up to this point, you've given me a life I never could have dreamed of or ever felt deserving of. And from this day on, we get to continue the life we've built together thus far, but as husband and wife.
I wish I could promise you a future of smooth sailing, but the winds are not mine to control. But I can promise to be with you in the calm waters or the stormy seas. To all the beautiful memories we share in the lifetime of memories to come. I love you.